Everyone is talking about Claude Code, codex, and anti-gravity. But what if I told you there another AI coding agent that give you the powerful model like Minimax M2.7 and Minimax M3 for free? Lets you create the custom skill for repetitive task, schedule, action, connect with your phone, automate your workflow all in one place. If you are still paying for feature that should be standard, this video might completely change the AI coding tools you use every day. Currently, you are paid for this same feature, but from today you can get this all feature for free. Minimax launched the Minimax Code. Go to your favorite browser and search the Minimax Code. Official Minimax website will be appear at the top. Click on download Minimax Code. From here, download the Minimax Code according to your operating system. I am currently using Mac Intel. I'm going to download for it. If you are using Windows or Mac Silicon, download according to it. Until it's downloading, I will explore some benchmark about Minimax. You everyone know that Minimax M3 is the coding agentic frontier, 1 million contracts MSM and native multimodality. It not only chat, it will chat, read and analyze your code. It will also generate video, audio, PDF as well. If you can check the benchmark in SWE bench, terminal bench and vibe bench, which will be important for the coding index, its performance is similar to the Claude Opus and ChatGPT. Minimax Code download is completed. Let's start to install it. Installation process is simple. Just click, open and drag it to the application. If you are using Mac, if you are using Windows, then directly install it. If you can check the Minimax Code interface, it will be similar to Claude and ChatGPT web version, where it will be the text bar. From here you can select the model. In the left side, skill, schedule, connect mobile and history will be appear. I'll open it and I'll explore more about it. Minimax Code, I'm opening it for the first time. Next, get started. You didn't need to do anything. If you are using it for the first time, Minimax Code asks you to sign in. You can easily sign in with your Google account. Minimax authentication is completed and this is the Minimax Code editor. Before testing it, I'll make you clear something. This is my free plan. I didn't subscribe it. Okay, first things, from here you can use Minimax M2.7 high speed and Minimax M3 free of cost. In free plan there will be some limitation. It will be the weekly limitation and hourly limitation. Your limitation will be reset in every 5 hours. Okay, in free plan it will provide the decent amount of token, you can easily use it. Let's explore it some feature. Here you can see your history. I have not used it, that's why my history will be empty. This is the skill section, which is the most important in Minimax Code. From here you can use the default skill and from here you can create your own skill as well that you can repeatedly use. Most common type of skill are app builder, landing page builder, HTML presentation generator. This type of skill are mostly used. This editor is launched recently. Okay, we'll use it sometime later. User contribution is also here. All the skill will be available. Powerful things will be default skill will be also available and you can create your own skill according to your requirement. And here is the schedule section. You can schedule your tasks in daily basis, weekly basis, hourly basis as far as you need. Okay, and if you are mobile developer you can connect your phone as well. Let's start to chat. Hi, it will perfectly working. Let's select the Minimax M3 and which model is it? Let's ask, and running on Minimax M3, which means both model are working perfectly. I feel it a little bit slow. I don't know why. First let's try some pre-build skill. I will start with the landing page builder here. Add to my skill, try in Minimax Code and it will start to work on it. Here if you add this in your skill section and if you create your custom skill, then your skill will be appear here in the skill section. By uploading any PDF you can ask them to summarize it. You can add any file or photo here. This is the desktop app. You can easily use your computer as well. It will ask before I'll cook up. First I will understand which type of requirement do you need First it will ask it will confirm from you, then it will start to work. If you need any type of landing page, then you can easily give instruction. I need a one animated landing page for my portfolio. It will ask me the quick question: what is your name, what do you do, what kind of work do you do, any style of vibe, link to share. If I share this all the information, then it will prepare a one deploy level landing page for me. This is the way that you can use any type of skill. Then how you can create the custom skill? Just like simple chat, ask your requirement. If this requirement is repeatedly used in your daily task, you can add it in your skill section. From there you can repeatedly use it instead of asking it every time. From here you can give access any folder from your device. You can also create the slide, PDF, docs, Excel, and many more things. If you ask anything and give full authorization, then it will automatically confirm in his way. If you give the smart authorize, it will only ask on the high risk ops. If you said ask, then it will ask before confirming anything. It will ask your permission to confirm. This is the way that you can use Minimax in your daily life. I'll give one prompt and let's see how is it look. I'll select the Minimax M3 model. I'll give one prompt. This is the basket cat challenge game using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let's see how much time it will take and what its performance. I will show you everything. It will already start to work. Now it will completed the task and it didn't take too much time. It will complete it within 3-4 minutes. Yeah, it will take 3-4 minutes to build this type of detailed game where I have give some detailed requirement, and it will create 3 file: style.css, game.js, index.html. I'll ask one thing here: can I run it from here or not? Good question. It will give me the direct link to run this code, and let's see how game is look like. This is the game. It will show current score, label, best, pause, basket cat challenge rule. I think it will make awesome game that I'm hoping. Oh, good. It will be good. I feel game is awesome. Only ball is dropping slowly. Other than that, the game is perfect. It will working. If we collect the bomb, then game is over. If we collect ball, we get the point. If we collect the star, then we'll get more point. At game going ahead, the ball speed is increased. It will be good. When level is increased, the speed of ball drop will also increase. I think game will be awesome. I will close it from here. Best point is you can code it here. From here you can also run it. If you want to improve anything, then you can communicate with it. By this way, you can easily use Minimax Code at the replacement of some paid model like Cursor and Anti-Gravity. You can get decent amount of token in Minimax Code as well. If you are using Minimax 2.7, then you can get 500 requests per minute. If you are using Minimax M3, then you can get 200 requests per minute. In every 5-hour interval, the token will be reset.